Good morning one and all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs from today's importance. So on this day it is celebrated as World Blood Donor Day. The main theme of World Blood Donor Day is celebrating the gift of blood. The slogan of 2021 World Blood Donor Day is Give blood and keep the world beating. The World Blood Donor Day was organized for the first time in 2005. World Blood Donor Day is celebrated on birth anniversary of Karl Landsteiner. He was awarded Nobel Prize in 1930 for his discovery of ABO blood group. And today's current affairs are, the first question is, who won the women's singles French Open title in Grand Slam event? And the options are A. Anastasia, B. Barbora, C. Rafael, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is B. Barbora Rejkova. It is her first Grand Slam title by beating Anastasia 6-1, 2-6, 6-4 sets. It is third unseeded women's championship in the last 5 years at Ronald Games. And the second question is, who was qualified for Tokyo Olympics under category of 49 kgs weightlifter? And the options are A. Sumit Malik, B. Mirabai Chanu, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is B. Mirabai Chanu. She was qualified for Tokyo Olympics. She becomes first Indian weightlifter to qualify for Tokyo Olympics. This will be Chanu's second Olympics after the 2016 games in Rio. And the third question is, which bank has announced the launch of Ghar Ghar Ration program? And the options are A. Yes Bank, B. Axis Bank, C. IDFC First Bank, and D. ICICI Bank. And the correct answer is C. IDFC First Bank. IDFC First Bank has announced Ghar Ghar Ration for customer COVID relief. And the fourth question is, which of the organization is manufacturing first batch of 3 advanced light helicopter Mk3? And the options are A. HAL, B. DRDO, C. CSIR, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. HAL, where HAL means Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. First batch of 3 advanced light helicopter Mk3 inducted into ICG, whereas ICG is Indian Coast Guard. And the fifth question is as follows: which of the following state has launched Pranavayu Devta pension scheme? And the options are A. Assam, B. Haryana, C. Maharashtra, and D. Gujarat. And the correct answer is B. Haryana. Haryana launched this innovative scheme called Pranavayu Devta. And the sixth question is, which state has partnered with Flipkart under the Medicines from the Sky project? And the options are A. Maharashtra, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Karnataka, and D. Telangana. And the correct answer is D. Telangana. Telangana has partnered with Flipkart to deliver medicines from the sky through drone technology. And the seventh question is, Nirmal Kaur passes away. She is a well-known player in which of the following sport? And the options are A. Volleyball, B. Hockey, C. Cricket, and D. Badminton. And the correct answer is A. Volleyball. She was a former captain of women volleyball team and she recently passed away. And the eighth question is, which bank has launched Kavach personal loan for COVID-19 patients? And the options are A. State Bank of India, B. HDFC Bank, C. Axis Bank, and D. Union Bank of India. And the correct answer is A. State Bank of India. Under Kavach personal loan scheme, SBI grants up to 5 lakhs. And the ninth question is, who has chaired the 44th GST Council meeting? And the options are A. Narendra Modi, B. Amit Shah, C. Rajnath Singh, and D. Nirmala Sitharaman. And the correct answer is D. Nirmala Sitharaman. 10th question, which bank has emerged as top performer in lending loans and deposit growth during financial year 2020 to 2021? And the options are A. Bank of Maharashtra, B. SBI, C. PNB, and D. Indian Overseas Bank. And the correct answer is A. Bank of Maharashtra. BOM has been topped in lending loans and growth in deposits. And the 11th question is, what is the rank of India in Global Skills Report 2021 released by Coursera? And the options are A. 112, A. 102, B. 67th, C. 131st, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is B. 67th. Switzerland tops the list followed by Luxembourg, and India ranked 67th in Global Skills Report 2021. And the 12th question is, which state has launched DBT mobile app for fund transfer? And the options are A. Telangana, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Karnataka. And the correct answer is D. Karnataka. Karnataka CM Yediyurappa launched the DBT mobile app. This app included 120 government schemes, which includes all COVID-19 packages. And the 13th question is, who was reappointed part-time chairman of ICICI Bank? And the options are A. GC Chaturvedi, B. Sandeep Bakshi, C. Dinesh Kumar Khara, and D. Shaktikant Das. And the correct answer is A. GC Chaturvedi. He will be chairman for 3 years. He is an IAS officer of UP cadre of 1977 batch. He is currently chairman of National Stock Exchange. And the 14th question is, which institute has established Koita Center for Digital Health? And the options are A. IIT Madras, B. IIT Bombay, C. IIT Kharagpur, and D. IIT Kanpur. And the correct answer is B. IIT Bombay. IIT Bombay has launched India's first kind center for digital health. It will offer academic programs like minor degree, dual degree and master's or PhD programs in health informatics. And the 15th question is, which bank has collaborated with Oracle and Infosys to provide improved customer experience? And the options are A. Federal Bank, B. DBS Bank, C. SBI Bank and D. HDFC Bank. And the correct answer is A. Federal Bank. It has collaborated for customer relationship management solution across marketing, sales, customer service, etc. So, one-liners today. Rehan Richards unanimously elected as new president of CSA. Sanjay Yadav takes oath as Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court. Vice President of Ramakrishna Math and Mission, Swami Shiva Mayananda ji passed away. ICMR will start work on the next nationwide COVID-19 Sero survey in June 2021 for the 4th time. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.